Assalamualaikum friends, here is 3D effects. These files are Adobe Illustrator. These are EPS file and protected password in this app. Good Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. Okay, and here is 20k 3D text effect. You can see here these are fully editable. When your channel reach or your page reach 20k, you can edit it here, or you can write a 10k or 15k 100k if you like. You can make a million. Okay, here is 30k. These are EPS file, not for Photoshop. You can add it in just Adobe Illustrator. Same thing is here. Wow. Victor 3D text effect. Victor, that's mean not for Photoshop. 40k is here, and next is 50% 3D 50. Wow, you can change color in Adobe Illustrator. 60k 70k 70k 3D 90k, and here is 3D text effect black 3D active. Wow, Friday, and here is party text effect. Wow, simply you can edit in Adobe Illustrator. Buy now this app or password, all password in this app. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Allah Hafiz.